Let's see how to install the contact points. First, we have a test lamp that allows you to check if the shock mode is functioning properly and tighten the contact points during installation. We also have a spring sheet. These are contact points and rubber caps. When installing the spring sheet, align the hole of the spring sheet with the receiver and then screw the contact points in it. The spring sheet is specifically designed to enhance the effectiveness of the shock mode for dogs with thick and long hair. And you can use the testing light to tighten the points properly to avoid falling off easily. Please firmly push the rubber cap until there is no space between the top contact point and the caps to prevent it from falling off easily.